a girl with confidence. When I got a roll like hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow. Wind it up on night. Baby.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on some new butterfly locks. Hair can be found on Amazon. So the hair that I'll be showing you guys today is some 24-inch butterfly locks, and they come in a 6-pack, and there's 10 strands per pack. So let's get started with the foundation. So I am doing a half up, half down. So the front of my hair, I'm going to be using rubber bands and creating like a little rubber band pattern in the front of my hair, and then some bantu knots. And then in the back is going to be the crochet butterfly locks. And those are going to be braidless. So this is a completely 100% no braids needed, no cornrowing needed. So if you are a part of the cornrow or braid challenged community, this one is for you, sis. No braids at all. So I started off by sectioning the front of my hair, putting a middle part, and then sectioning another, the side of my hair. So on either side of my hair, I'm going to have 3 sections of the rubber band style. So first you're going to create that first section. You're going to put a hair clip in the back to tuck that hair away. Pull your baby hairs out if you want baby hairs. If you don't, just pull everything to the back. You're going to use your edge control all the way around, and then you're going to use your rubber bands. Now I do soak my rubber bands in oil so that they have a lot more slip and they don't get as tight and they don't put as much tension on your hair. Then you're going to grab that next section, comb it out really well, comb the edge control all the way through, part it in the center, and then place the hair from the other rubber banded section in between. You're going to grab a clip the back of that piece that you put in the center away, and then you're going to comb the hair out again, detangle, and then I like to twist it because it helps the hair to stay when I grab the rubber band. And then I grab the rubber band. Do not tighten the rubber band again. Just rubber band the hair away and do not tighten it. If you continue to tighten these rubber bands, you're going to create so much tension, it's going to be impossible to keep the hairstyle in. So whatever you do, do not tighten the rubber band. So then you're going to create a middle part, and this is going to help you figure out where your sections are going to be. My hair was dirty AF when I did this, but I really did not see the point in washing my hair before putting all this product and edge control in it. So I definitely washed my hair right after this style, but I did not do it before because there's just so much product in this style that I just didn't want to do it on freshly washed hair. I didn't really see the point. So section away, like I said, each side of your head is going to have 3 sections of these rubber banded sections. So then you start working on the second section, add your edge control all around, and then pull your baby hairs out and just repeat this step on every section of your hair all the way through. Alright, and there you have it. That is the end of the rubber band section. Now you're going to want to grab the pieces at the ends and you're going to start to do your bantu knot. Am I doing the bantu knots yet? I'm not sure if I'm doing the bantu knots. I think I'm going to show you how I do the back. Okay, yes, so I definitely am showing you how I do the back. Same concept of the way I did the rubber banded sections in the front. I'm going to do the same rubber banding concept in the back. Grab a small section at the top, put your edge control all the way around the section, detangle it, comb it, and then put it in a rubber band. Do the next section, split it in half, put that hair in between the half, put the rubber band over top. Same way I did the back is the front is the way I'm going to do the back. Now, I did 3 sections because of the density and the length of my hair. Depending on the density and length of your hair, you may have to do more or you may be able to get away with less. My hair is so thick, I knew I couldn't do any less than 3. I probably could have even gotten away with doing 4 because my hair is so thick. But yeah, if you have shorter hair, you probably will have to do more. If you have longer hair, you could do less. You know, just figure out what works best for you. But the 3 sections in the back worked really well for me, and it also helped me when I was installing the butterfly locks, and I'll explain that once I get to that section. But it definitely helps to have these sections when you're installing your butterfly locks. Then I went ahead and just braided this down. Again, if you do not know how to braid, you do not have to braid this down. You can twist it or you can just rubber band it and just tuck it in underneath one of the sections. So now moving on to the bantu knots. This section is super easy. All you do is just twist the end of the hair as your edge control so that it's nice and sleek. Twist it around itself and, you know, make sure it's all the way twisted around. You don't have to do these tight. I would caution you from doing these bantu knots tight or from adding the rubber bands on tight. This style has a tendency to get tighter and tighter as, you know, the time goes on. After that first and second day, it can get extremely tight. So I would just caution you to be overly loose with a style like this because it's only going to get tighter over the first and second day. It starts to loosen up usually around the 3rd day, but it seems like those first 2 days it actually gets tighter as the days go on. It comes in a 6-pack. I think I ended up using 4 packs. The blocks are so beautiful. I mean, they're so lightweight, so pretty, and the loop at the top is very soft. Sometimes you get locks like this and the loops at the top are so hard they hurt your fingers, but these are very soft. The locks themselves are very soft and very pretty. I just like the shape of them and the way that they're made. So I did not cut these out. I made it a point to actually take each one of these out on their own so that I can reuse this hair. A lot of times I'll just cut it out because I really don't care, but I could see myself using this hair again, so I took them out one by one. So yeah, install same way you normally install any crochet locks. You just open up the loop, put the crochet needle under the hair, pass it through, and that's it. Very easy to install. Again, I love having these 3 sections because it allows me to section the locks out very nicely, spread them out nicely to know that I have the right amount of locks in each section was really nice. And it just helped me to know, like, okay, I've already done 3 packs. I only need to do 1 more pack on this section. You know, just making sure that I wasn't overloading the back of my hair. I really like doing it in these 3 sections. sections. It just really helped me to make sure that I was spreading the locks out in a good way, and I wasn't overcrowding them. Love doing braidless crochet, you guys. Hadn't done one in a while. I don't know why, because it just makes your life so easy. Look how seamless this looks. This looks amazing, and the Bantu knots really do hide the knots from the crochets. Oh yeah, I went in and added a couple more. So I used the entire 4 packs. I think at first I had some left over, and I was like, you know what? Let me just fill these in so that the whole 4th pack is all the way filled in. So this is a full 4 packs of hair in the back of my head. Y'all, I was already feeling myself and loving how these came out. I love how the Bantu knots kind of disguise what's going on in the back, and they look amazing. This hair was giving me a little bit of like a throwback vibe, but everyone was feeling it, you guys. Like everywhere I went, people were complimenting me. When I was on FaceTime, you know a hairstyle is good when you getting compliments on FaceTime. Like, come on, you already know what time it is, sis. Highly recommend this style. Super easy to achieve and super cute. Grab my GLEEmade edge control. You can find this on Amazon.com, on Amazon Prime, or you can order it from my direct website, GLEEmade.com, and just click hair care. Went ahead and did my baby hairs. My baby hairs are growing and getting longer. I'm almost considering cutting them because they're getting so long. But yeah, I had to do like a little curly Q in the front. Added my Pie Shoe hairspray, which I absolutely love. I'll be sure to leave links to everything for Amazon down below. If I miss anything, just leave it in the comments for me and I'll get you that info. Went ahead and did my makeup off camera, changed my clothes. Forgot my blazer, y'all. I had to run and grab my blazer. All this jewelry is from Amazon. I was really feeling this jewelry when I first got it. I'm gonna get some more so you guys can see some other of this jewelry. But yeah, love this. This blazer is not from Amazon. The top is from Amazon, but the blazer is actually from Misguided. Actually Pretty Little, either Misguided or Pretty Little Thing, but I'll let you guys know in the comments down below if you want to grab this. But yeah, look at how this hair came out. So bomb, you guys. I just love this look. It's very feminine, but not super girly. It's kind of a throwback, but not like super old. It still feels very like relevant and cute. And no braids, braidless look, you guys. I highly recommend this hair. Absolutely loving this style, and yeah, I don't have a bad word to say about it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Share this video, share with a friend, share with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.